OMG! TikTok! No more time. Time closing on being a founder in a quadrillion-dollar company. I'm done deal. Onpassive does the work for you using the internet and AI, artificial intelligence, with heart. Look, what are you wanting? Are you wanting a positive movement? To have more time and more money? Live stress-free. Have better health. You can have both money and time all together here in Onpassive. Make your life a plus all the way around. Be in the top 1% of the company that will be a household name very, very fast. Have aha moments of positive in your life and your families. Onpassive is doing it different than any other company. CEO Ash MUFAREH and his family want to help you and the 97% of the people worldwide a better life. Have more time and money and live stress-free. Ash is not moved by money. He is moved by changing your life. In Onpassive, a founder, you are loved here around the world. You are important, and you and your family matter, and you deserve a break. Get in now. Door closing now. Pay the $97 US plus the $5 card fee and reserve your spot in the quadrillion-dollar company. Then once we launch very soon, you pay a subscription fee of under $300. Then the next month's subscription is paid for by the sales that were made by the company. I cannot promise you a founder position will be available when you see this. Do not say, I wish I would have, should have, could have. Get back to the person that shared this and get their registration link. If you came across me, then grab my registration link and get in. I am excited to see your new life to the positive. Thank you so much, Bill Musk, Timmy Johnson, for all you do for me and so many. Thank you so much from the very bottom of my heart, Mr. Ash MUFAREH and family. Also, all the tech team, all the staff of Dubai and Hyderabad, all the staff and all that do behind the curtain, and the founders and the leadership council. God bless. You are all important. I am Sherry Derseweh, a proud founder since 8/2/2018.